It gets you churning pretty damn good. I'm fucking brewing up a little Willy Wonka in here.
Yes, sir. Everybody's playing lows. I'm choking people out.
You're choking people out with the highs. How's it going, dude?
How's it going, man?
It's going pretty good.
Pleasure.
Yeah, what's your name?
Josh Wilson.
Josh Wilson. So you got 4 15s, MMATS?
MMATS P3.0, yes, sir.
Very proud right now. That is awesome. It gets you churning pretty damn good. I'm fucking brewing up a little Willy Wonka in here.
Yes, sir. Everybody's playing lows. I'm choking people out.
You're choking people out with the highs, dude. You got the threaded rod with some bracing going in the front to the back.
Yes, sir.
Is it all common chamber 4th order? Or is it all separate
that ain't
chamber?
You smelling?
It's all, no it is, they're getting hot. It's all one chamber.
One chamber?
One chamber.
Alright. Well, hell yeah, man. I really appreciate you slamming it on for me like that. I'm impressed with the sound of it. Heck yeah. I love that smell.
Yeah, you're just getting a little
just
warm.
Just getting them a little healthy smelling, dude.
It'd be worth it if a Sub Blue giving you a demo.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Oh my word, that was on a single 3500, I think. Wow. Sounding good, looking good. Fuck yes. Hell yeah, dude. Well, I appreciate you giving me a demo.
No problem, man. I appreciate giving you one.
I'm gonna post this video, and if I don't have your name in the description, comment on it, and I will include it right away.
Yes, sir. Sure.
All right, man.
It was a pleasure to meet you.
EXO signing out. We're here with fellow Bassheads. Slamfest, having a good time.